welcome to What's in the Box Raksha Bandhan edition. If you are bored of trying the old traditional Rakhi, then this video is for you. I have got a gift from brand Phool for the celebration of Raksha Bandhan. So let's quickly dive in. But before diving into the unboxing video, let me just take a moment to talk about the brand Phool. Though it's a non-sponsored video, but still, अगर कोई काम अच्छा कर रहा होता है तो why not talk about it? So here I am. So what sets the Phool brand apart from the other gifting brands is that they specialize in eco-friendly and sustainable gifts that are not only beautiful but also has minimal environmental impact. They use biodegradable materials, natural fibers, and organic ingredients to craft their product. Now let's quickly dive in to unbox this.
Wow, this looks amazing. Let's go through each item one by one. So starting with this lovely postal card, it has got a gorgeous design and is made up of recycled paper with a heartfelt message for your sibling that adds personal touch to your gift. Now this is something really special. This is a plantable Rakhi. After the festival, instead of throwing it away, you can plant this Rakhi and watch it grow. It also comes with a roli and chawal, making it a complete Raksha Bandhan kit. Next we have this grooming kit. It's got everything the person needs to stay fresh and pampered, especially during the festive season. So the brand has curated this with natural ingredients so that you can take care of yourself in the most eco-friendly way possible. They have also included this packet of mishri and soft that is perfect for after meal. It's a traditional combination that's not only delicious but also great for digestion. Next we have these premium, delicious and healthy almonds and traditional laddus. Up next is another beautiful edition of scented sticks. These are made up from natural ingredients, so they fill your space with soothing aroma, creating a calming environment perfect for meditation or just unwinding after a day long. It also has a compact, easy to use roll-on perfume that is made from natural essential oils. A quick swipe of this and you will smell fresh all day long with a fragrance that's both subtle and refreshing. This is last but not the least. We have got two pairs of cozy cotton socks. They are super comfortable, breathable and stretchable. That makes it perfect for everyday wear.
So I am very impressed with this Raksha Bandhan gift from the Phool brand. I found that it is very traditional, very stylish and thoughtfulness added to it, making it the best for those people who want a sustainable Rakhi celebration. So do give it a try. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, have a fantastic Raksha Bandhan. Stay happy, stay festive and keep celebrating the bond that matters.